Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Internet Benefits Tips. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert PDF files to any type file like Word, Excel, PowerPoint or image online without using any software and for free, and vice versa on your PC or your mobile. It's very easy and you can do it just in few minutes. So how to do it? Just follow my steps. First of all, open your web browser you are using and type www.adobe.com. Click on PDF and e-signatures, then Acrobat Online Tools. Here you can find everything you want, and here you have all the other tools: Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, JPG to PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, etc. Let's say, for example, you want to convert PDF file to Word. Select a file to upload. Your file is ready. Download. Done. This is the file PDF. And let's open it in Word. And this is the file. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Subscribe to my channel to get more tutorial videos, and don't forget to like and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Internet Benefits Tips.